Tree's challenge accepted. Once upon a time, there was a magnificent tree in the middle of a vast forest. This tree was different from all the others, for it was not only tall and strong, but it also possessed the ability to speak. For centuries, the tree had witnessed the coming and going of many travelers who passed by the forest. Some were weary and lost, seeking shelter and guidance, while others were adventurers, looking for treasures and new horizons. One sunny day, 3 travelers entered the forest. They were a diverse group, each with their own reasons for journeying through the woods. The first traveler was a young man named Jack. He was seeking adventure and wanted to explore the world beyond his small village. The second traveler was a middle-aged woman named Emily. She was searching for a new home, as she had lost her family and her job due to a natural disaster. The third traveler was an elderly man named George. He was on a pilgrimage to find inner peace and to seek answers to the meaning of life. As the travelers approached the magnificent tree, they heard a gentle voice whisper, "Welcome, travelers. I am the tree of the forest, and I have watched many pass by me. What brings you to my domain?" The 3 travelers were astonished to hear the tree speak. They approached it with reverence and shared their stories. Jack spoke first. "I am here to seek adventure and discover the mysteries of the world." Emily spoke next. "I am searching for a new home, a place where I can start anew." George spoke last. "I am on a pilgrimage to find inner peace and to understand the purpose of life." The tree listened patiently to their stories and then replied, "I can offer you each what you seek, but first, you must pass a test. You must prove your worthiness by overcoming a challenge." Jack was excited to accept the challenge. "I am ready, tell me what to do." The tree replied, "You must climb to the top of my branches, where you will find a bird's nest. Bring me back the egg without breaking it, and you will pass the test." Jack eagerly accepted the challenge and began to climb. As he climbed higher and higher, the branches became thinner and weaker. Jack was determined to reach the top and prove his worthiness, but his recklessness caused him to lose his balance. He fell from the tree, and the egg shattered on the ground. Jack was disappointed, but the tree comforted him and told him that he still had much to learn. Emily was next to take the challenge. The tree said, "You must dig a hole by my roots and plant a seed. Water it every day for a week, and if it grows, you will pass the test." Emily was not as eager as Jack, but she accepted the challenge. She dug a hole by the tree's roots and planted the seed. She watered it every day for a week, and on the 7th day, a beautiful flower bloomed. The tree was pleased with Emily's patience and perseverance, and she passed the test. Finally, it was George's turn. The tree said, "You must meditate under my branches for 3 days and 3 nights. If you can find inner peace, you will pass the test." George sat down under the tree's branches and closed his eyes. He meditated for 3 days and 3 nights, and on the final day, he had a profound realization. He opened his eyes and said to the tree, "I have found inner peace. I understand that the purpose of life is not to seek answers, but to live in the moment and embrace every experience." The tree was pleased with George's wisdom, and he passed the test. The tree then spoke to the 3 travelers.